Hello, my little ones. Welcome to our session 2 of English Literature, Chapter 4 Mitu and the Yellow Mango, written by Chitra Narendran. This story is about one parrot who uses his intelligence to eat one juicy mango from a tree which is under the possession of a crow. Before we begin our story, let's revise what we have learnt in our previous session. In the poem, a boy saw a little bird at his window and he called that bird to talk, but the bird flew away somewhere else. So, children, are you ready to answer the questions of this poem? Yes, then let's begin. Question number 1 is, what did the child see? बच्चे ने क्या देखा? Yes, एक बर्ड देखा था जो छोटा था. So we will write answer in this way. The child saw a little bird. Our next question is, what was the little bird doing? Little bird क्या कर रहा था? विंडो पे बैठा था. So answer is, little bird was sitting upon a window. Let's move on to our question number 3. Do you see any birds around your school or your house? आपने कोई भी बर्ड्स अपने स्कूल के घर के आसपास देखे हैं? Yes. Okay. Then our answer will be yes, we see so many birds around our school and house. Like means कौन से देखे हैं उसका नाम लिखना है. Parrots, pigeons, peacocks, sparrows, etc. Our question number 4 is, have you tried talking to them? Here we will write the answer in this way. Yes, I tried talking to them. And if you have never tried to talk to them, then you will write no, I never tried talking to them. Now this is the last question of the poem. I saw a little bird. I know you all are waiting for the story. So let's begin it. Once there was a parrot. Its name was Mitu. That parrot was green in color and it had a red beak. One day, Mitu was flying in the sky. Do you know, children? He loved to fly. उसको उड़ना बहुत पसंद था. Because while flying, he could see so many things from the sky. So, by looking around, he saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Tell me, children, do you like to eat mango? Yes. In the same way, in this story, Mitu the parrot also liked to eat mangoes. So he said, I want to eat that yellow mango. He flew down to the tree. He thought, अगर मुझे ये मैंगो खानी है तो मुझे नीचे जाना पड़ेगा. So he flew down to the tree. And as he reached down, he heard a voice from a tree. Cow, cow, go away. This is my tree. The parrot got confused क्योंकि उसको पता नहीं चल रहा था कि कौन बोल रहा है. Do you know, children? Whose voice was that? No. Then let's find out. Mittu looked up. He saw a big black crow. Caw, caw, go, go, the crow shouted. Children, whose voice was that? Yes, a big black crow's voice. That crow shouted in a very loud voice. जोर से चिल्ला रहा था. तो फिर क्या हुआ? Mittu was afraid of the crow. Mittu डर गया. And he flew away from there. वहाँ से वो दूर चला गया. चिल्ड्रन, आपको पता है अफ्रेड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? अफ्रेड मीन्स फीलिंग ऑफ फियर, डर लगना. मिट्टू क्रो से डर गया और वहाँ से चला गया. Then what happened? Mittu saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. मिट्टू ने एक रेड बलून देखा जो ट्री के नीचे पड़ा था. When he saw the balloon, he had an idea. Do you know, children, what idea he got? To know about that idea, हमको स्टोरी आगे पढ़नी पड़ेगी. He picked up the red balloon. He was careful not to burst it. He flew to the mango tree. The crow was sitting on the tree. Mittu went behind the tree. मिट्टू ने क्या किया? He picked up the red balloon and उसने ध्यान रखा कि उसकी चोंच से वो रेड बलून बर्स्ट नहीं हो जाए. और वो बलून लेके मिट्टू ट्री के पीछे चला गया जहाँ से उसको क्रो देख नहीं सके. एंड द क्रो वॉज सिटिंग ऑन द ट्री. बट मिट्टू क्रो के पीछे था, इसके लिए क्रो ने उसको नहीं देखा. Then what happened? Let's see. He pecked the balloon with his red beak. Here, peck means to strike something with beak. Pop. The balloon burst. It made a loud noise. मिट्टू ने अपनी चोंच से बलून को बर्स्ट कर दिया और बलून के फूटने से बहुत बड़ी आवाज़ आई. ये आवाज़ से क्रो डर गया होगा. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. Caw, caw, a big gun is after me, said the crow. He flew away. He never came back to the tree. बलून की आवाज़ से क्रो डर गया. He got afraid of that sound and he thought this loud noise came from one big gun. मतलब उसने सोचा हंटर आया है और मुझे मारना चाहता है. एंड वो अपनी जान बचाने के लिए उड़ गया. एंड ही नेवर केम बैक टू द ट्री. चिल्ड्रन, क्रो के भाग जाने से कौन खुश होगा? यस, मिट्टू. Why Mittu became happy? Let's see. Mittu came to the tree. He ate the big yellow mango. Yummy, yummy. What a nice mango, he said. As Mittu liked to eat mangoes, after Crow went, he could eat that mango without any fear. है ना? He was very happy after he ate the mango. He was very happy. Clever, me too. Clever means intelligent. Here, the story tells us that the parrot was clever. He applied an idea to eat the yummy mango. So, children, here we are ending our story. Tell me, what do you learn from this story? We learn that we should not be disheartened with any situation or any problem. We should solve that problem with our intelligence. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम से घबराना नहीं है, उसको सॉल्व करना है. Children, some of the words you all have heard for the first time, right? Let's read these new words. Number 1, pecked means stroke something with beak. Number 2, black. Black is a color. Kala color. Number 3, crow. Kawa, one type of bird. Number 4, mango. मैंगो आप सबको पता है क्या है. Number 5, parrot. Green colored bird with a red beak. Number 6, burst. मतलब फूट जाना. Number 7, shouted. Shouted means जोर से चिल्लाना. Let's learn some opposite words. In first picture, a dog is sleeping under the table. And in second picture, a sheep is jumping above the fence. So, opposite word for under is above. Number 2, rabbit is behind the tree. And what is the opposite word for behind? Yes, in front of. Here we are ending our session. It's time for homework. You have to fill the colors in this parrot and a red chili. आपके लिए दूसरा होमवर्क भी है. Trace the path of this lady bird. Join these dots and make the way for this lady bird. So children, read this story again and we will discuss the question answers of this story in our